What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Ondo, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and is currently the top gainer according to CoinMarketCap. So we're going to be going through what is next for the crypto. Is it likely to hit the dollar mark anytime soon over the coming days, weeks and so on? And as you guys can see, since its launch earlier on in January this year, it has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be going through, is it still a crypto worth buying right now? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially passing the dollar mark later this year? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. How high and how low can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we can see the purple line running across the chart here, giving us the average value of Ondo, which is here in purple at 56 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at under 80 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking a little bit skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what could this possibly mean for Ondo is an overall fluctuation in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading around its current price range of 80 cents, which I also agree with. Reason for this is I'm expecting it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the coming hours, potentially up to about 83-84 cents before it starts to hit red candles later on this evening, heading down to 80 cents, back down to where it is at the moment. So do expect quite of a wave, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Ondo over the coming 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, the crypto should be trading around 83 to 84 cents is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, do expect red days in between. It is likely to take little dips in between as well, but the overall outcome at the moment does seem to be more on the positive side. But again, just because it's on the positive side, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is likely to be a very minimal increase in value, as I mentioned, heading up to 83 to 84 cents. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have the blue line looking quite bullish. However, it's looking way too steep to be realistic, and the orange line is also looking slightly bullish, slanting towards the positive direction. So an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Ondo over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys. So mid to late May 2024, I'm expecting it to get very close to the dollar mark, not necessarily hitting it, but getting very close to that price range is what I'm expecting. However, in between that time, I am also expecting Ondo to be going through a little bit of a price correction, dropping back down to around 55 to 60 cents in value by early to mid-April, and then slowly starting to gain value for the rest of April and May, getting closer to the dollar mark is what I'm expecting at the moment. And by mid-year, the crypto should be trading over the $1 mark. However, if there are any major updates to this that can have an impact on the value of Ondo, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we did take a little bit of a step back in value earlier on in March, all up until a few days ago or the start of the week, where it started to hit green candles, and right now we have pumped back up into the top tier level. However, from my predictions and analysis that I have done, the crypto is slightly overvalued, and as I mentioned, early May it is likely to go for a price correction. Dropping back down into the blue zone is what my expectations are at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website. However, before I do that, just a little announcement, guys, for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market. What you guys can do is join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer. Usually it will be $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. And again, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only, so make sure you guys are quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into two group chats. First one is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. And you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that you guys want me to do analysis and predictions on, which I will also provide in the group chat. Again, don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot from nearly 2 years ago, and yeah, you get the gist of what happens. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Ondo. So first of all, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 44% in the last 24 hours, making it $448 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, guys. Reason is, of course, the crypto has pumped up in value, so a lot more people are currently trading it. Over the week it's 50% up, even after the dip that took place over the last couple of days or week even. However, and overall over the month it is up a massive 143%. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Ondo to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.